Fine, let me go with the problem number 27 here. Let us fill in the blanks question, right? They have given 5 problems. Let me solve one by one. 6 by 27. Now you observe here, they have given 6 by 27 is equal to question mark and as well as 7. Now let us find the relation between this and this. If you divide by 3, you are going to get 7, right? 21 divided by 3 is 7. So similarly 6 divided by 3, which is going to be 2. The answer is this. 0.01, which is going to be 1 divided by 100, right? Largest 7-digit number. So largest 7-digit number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the largest 7-digit number. Radius is equal to diameter by 2. See that you know, right? This is a circle if you take. So this is called as the diameter, and from this point, the center point, to this is called as what? A radius. So in 75,897, the place value of 8 is, this is 75897. This is unit tens 100. The answer is 100, that is 8 into 100, 800 is the answer. The place value of 8 is 100, its value is 800. Fine.